Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick video on how to take the fan clutch out of a 2500 Cummins '05. Here's my truck. So I don't have a fan shred or whatever it's called, guard. Um, and I turned my car on one morning or the truck, and I heard this crazy noise. You know, me being a man, I turned up the radio instead of trying to figure out what it was. I went about my business, came back home, and the truck did not overheat. So to my surprise, the fan wiring got stuck in the fan and it cut it completely off. So yeah, I got the part. You're gonna need a 36 millimeter wrench, and I'm gonna tell you what I did to get it off real easy. Um, I seen one video that did this method, but it had a different type of wrench. So what I did was I put it on the bolt of the fan clutch, just like that. And as you're pulling this way, you're gonna hit the top of it with a little hammer, a little sledgehammer. I used what is it, like a 2 pound one? What is this? 2 pounds? 4 pounds? It's 4 pounds. So I use the 4 pounds. I'm sorry, I only have one hand, so it's like this. And as I'm pulling, as you can see, I banged it a little bit. Oh, you can't even tell. Oh, right there on that side. So you got it on there, and you're gonna bang it right here on the top left as you're pulling, and it brought it right off. It took it right off. They want you to use these tools, but that takes too much time. So you're gonna need that, and you're gonna need a 1/2 inch socket set, or socket, but to get these off. This is the old one. Here's a new one. As you can see, it does come below the fan, so it should make it. What I'm gonna do is just gonna get some zip ties to make sure this doesn't touch the fan, but it touched it right over here. And I drive kind of crazy, so that's probably what happened. But if you had the fan guard, you'd be able to prevent this from happening again. But it's super simple, and all I gotta do is tie in these bolts and put it back on there. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any tips or know where I can find a guard for the fan, let me know. I'm just gonna tighten these bolts real good. Oh, look, here's the other part of the adapter. All right, thank you guys.